Enti ade bia mo ye no monwene ho. Se police na makwa police station na makwa question na.
Welcome to the Political Round with me, the voice right here on Ghana and Sem TV. Please like, comment, subscribe, share, turn on the notifications so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you'll be notified.
The country anymore. Oh my God. Those pastors, I'm a prophetic child. I like prophetic ministration. So when it is about them, I find it difficult expressing the way that I feel because I've been there before. So I just sometimes I want to excuse them. I want to give them that respect, but it's like they don't deserve it anymore. Almost deserve us our respect no anymore. How? Because of what? Now they don't preach the salvation anymore. It's all about politics, and they are inside of Express and Mahama. That is why when we were about to go for the election, I questioned them. So if we should select somebody that will show Yankupon there, not any John Mahama. That's all for the I just don't want to talk about them because say yeah, Pobia was so showing Yankupon here to Abama there. Nanka John Mahama, but almost selfish interest. Woman and Quadia Sem no every woman. They no longer have this salvation message. Now the almost on bibi on binyanti no motiti sorry them one. And see almost corrupt practices. Now what's almost kotoka free ko yimu no mo de bagan na umbetu your duty, umbetu your taxes ama minor. No man etimi afebi na almost sorry man no mo etimi de bia adwuma mo sorry man nya bia ye. No sorry man nya bia no benya offering. Ababa beto no. Omo mpeni sa, omo pe kro no matu afem. Na is omo da bia na they live big. Na ye hiafo. Sorry congregants na ye hiafo. Na da bia na they bow to them. Papa. Eno no mo hwehwe. Enti Jomahama ne de ono no mo be go for. Enti me na I told my people, who ye Methodist I so called Methodist. Who ye Presby I so called Presby. Who ye Catholic I so called Catholic. Who ye SDA so na call Adventist because now current churches no me see obi no wo open kwaje ama obi awo. Ayo mo bottom no mo de ne na mo. Enti asofofo de ka mo ka your friends amampanifo anim. No ma ye de ye. Now you see your friend obi kwaku bofo no kra de am sent every. Ono kra na edi ade no. Obegina the pulpit so obeka kwaje asem kwase asem kwa na odina no keka. Let me forget about na me de men call Jomahama so no hu ne kra. Jomahama hu ne hia me. Inti de so insecurities de call mine mono. Jomahama pacha yes won hunu ye no won ye. Not even a single statement. And every numa ba. And this because of politics, you guys are okay. Enti mo ayemo de. Se mo to wana mo crofobia come party office. No makwa ko vanda bibia wo bia no mo se no. Twitwa eja atoto adan mu. Omanya ye Yesu se adwuma nim. Sabi me de nya me dia ehwo no me de nditi kra me nya na exist na pa me so me ka cham so mo mo party office and at least they are working secretary wo ho we wo ho no mo ye adwuma nti ho no mo nya mo sika free ade na rodo a mo makwa kwahye wo mu no ebe do mo nya sika kra no mo de ataduane na yire ne ma enya biedi ade na mo ya no don't make sense oh party offices na mo so me de me fa ndisi de benya na agu what I'm also telling you guys say esa ayensanfo no mu die no omo san eje nkofo anu aduane because omo ye adwuma ho nyina at the end of the day ye tua won kan no omo ye ne free enti mo ko se wo adwuma no wo baba ye a friend is saying jobless unemployed enti ade bia mo ye no mo nwene ho se police na makwa police station na makwa question na eya mo se na makwa question no na da woti obi baba be pupu nani oba na mabontene wo nua bi na mabontene obi di ade be bonitrim na wo pa justice ehwo na wo pa justice ama wo nua no muje bi na mo ye na de mo hunu no ento mo na enti mo fi se mo ye de mo pe wo nua bi na mabontene obi di bibi bo bonitrim ento wo na enti wo fi se azam ni ntimi ento obi di ade be bonitrim na ho no be seeking for justice e hefa na akọ seeking for police station na esi wukrom ho na wo di asem ne be kono ehwo na wo akwa kwahye no eti hefa police ni be na be krom no aba be chi obi ode ade abo nua bitima na se obi ode nkwasi asem edi wa na ode di maame na ode di papa na ode di wa umo hefa na aba akọ justice no mo nkwasi asem na mo te o man ma mu die no mo hunu ye na ne nyina so nkoma metwa a brantie ya ye ka wo fa dwom hama ye de ye hu na memo ye kan yo me se me kirade enyo no ne haya me de kwada obatom se me ye madwuma kwansa na obedi ne president even at Tamils kwa na obatom na me ja ko school me wie ba ye was at Tamils tua na fofia anto ata wo no de koy obedi ade na mete ho na obagdate ne de ekwaji o bombardate ekwaji ho arrears yina me de na obatom se maye no otua me ka 3 months asem we ye kan montie etina me ni hwe against express the mama no na me de na de ode adi me no ye kan montie na mode na omani mo ayedin omani so mo ayedin ni ye ka he mo hwe America e de ntina mo to ma Trump bebre ye ka chom say inflation na koso be amako he UK na UK for kasa call na UK obi or England be offer na wakasa they change their government and now they've seen say enya amanmuo no na ye sa inflation no eye worldwide na ekoso eti ye kan ni nyina bi ka John Mahama ne incompetence na do ayese na ni nyina e ka kire mo na mo ntie na mkoto odama ti mo de kan ye ni hwe kra no ko ba ye nsamfo ekoso ka one voice out keke just open your mouth say one word meaning say what can and crofona koto but they love you that is why they voted for you that means when you speak they will listen o kasa omo betie enya de so kasa omo ntie da omo betie eso papa we ayedan waye din he doesn't care about you waso ne manyina kogu abrochire omo mukuti Dubai ete ho sisi antokwa yakoso mate se ne ba bi ka ho mate se ne busuani bi ka ho omo shada ben no mate se bi ka ho ti mo amaka na mo jimi no enya na sam de wo pen nsaka aba na wo pen mo to na